Hi everyone, welcome back to EHunt channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell print-on-demand products on Etsy step by step. From setting up your shop, choosing a pod provider, to publishing your first products. If you've ever thought about starting a creative business without holding inventory, this is for you. First, let's cover what print-on-demand actually means. With POD, you design custom graphics or artwork, but you don't produce, stock, or ship the products yourself. Instead, once a customer places an order, a pod partner or fulfillment service produces the item, prints your design on it, and ships it to the customer. Like anything, there are pros and cons. So, what are the advantages? One of the best things about POD is that it's super low-risk. You don't need to buy or store any inventory upfront. Secondly, you get a ton of flexibility, which means you can try out lots of different designs and product types without worrying about leftover stock. And finally, shipping is all taken care of by your POD partner, so you can focus on creating and selling your products. Now, on the flip side, there are a few challenges. First, profit margins can be lower because you're sharing earnings with the pod supplier and also paying for the product, shipping, Etsy fees, and so on. Secondly, you have less control over things like quality, shipping times, packaging, and overall branding. And finally, you'll need some design skills or access to good tools to create attractive product mockups that actually sell. There are several popular POD companies that work seamlessly with Etsy. Some of the most common ones are Printify, Printful, Gelato, CustomCat, and Merchize. If you'd like me to dive deeper and compare these platforms in detail, drop a comment below, and I'll make a dedicated video just for that. Now I'm going to walk you through how you can set up your Etsy POD business in practice. I'll use Printify as the example pod platform. Step 1. Create an Etsy shop. Go to Etsy.com, register for an account if you don't have one. Click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to set your shop preferences, language, country, currency. Choose your shop name. This defines your brand. Fill in billing information, payment method, secure it. Add shop banner or logo and owner info to build trust. Step 2. Sign up with a POD platform, Printify. Go to printify.com, create an account. Review their product catalog, mock-up tools, partner locations. Make sure to explore shipping times, costs, quality samples. Step 3. Connect the POD platform to Etsy. In Printify, go to My Stores, click Connect, select Etsy. You'll be redirected to Etsy to give permission so Printify can manage listings, see orders, etc. Approve that. When creating new listings, include the info about your production partner in the product listing for transparency. Next, add a print-on-demand partner to Etsy listing. Step 4. Determine the right product and set pricing. This is one of the key factors that determine your competition with other ED sellers. You should consider every detail when setting up your price. It is an unquestionable fact that your main idea will be to earn money. In this part, EHunt customers are lucky because they are able to compare competitors' product prices thanks to Etsy product research tool. Let's say you will sell print-on-demand caps on Etsy. You can just write the product name and compare the prices. When determining the sales price, do not forget to consider Etsy fees. It is crucial to check how to calculate Etsy fees. Step 5. Publish the listing. Upload the product mockups, add title, description, tags. In the description, you might mention that item is printed on demand. Set shipping settings, production times, returns policy. Click Publish. Congrats, you now have a POD product listed on Etsy. Selling POD products on Etsy is a powerful way to start a low-risk online business. If you follow previous steps, you can build a profitable store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. This is all for today. See you next time.